Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your iPhone to the Wi-Fi network on iOS 16. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So to connect your iPhone to the Wi-Fi on iOS 16, first you need to go into Settings. Next you want to go on to Wi-Fi and you need to make sure Wi-Fi is enabled. So you need to make sure this switch is on the right hand side, which is currently right now. Down below, you'll see all the available networks. So select the network which you want to connect to. So here I'll connect to my phone, which is the Note 10 Plus Wi-Fi. Now enter in the password. Now tap on Join at the top right. And once the authentication completes, it'll basically connect to the Wi-Fi. So as you can see, it's connected to the N10 Plus Wi-Fi. And that is how to connect to Wi-Fi on your iPhone running iOS 16. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.